Hello everyone, welcome to Let's Discover It. This is Arya Singh and today we will discuss about the notes of chapter 10. Name Reaching the Age of Adolescent. I have covered this keywords, question answers and theory also. Each part theory I have covered. Today we will discuss about the notes. So I have to. There are aim that I have to make. You have to say that separate video because I am not able to describe each word in notes video. My notes video, all notes video are if you find then all is in English language. So if you are not able to understand in English, then comments me. I am making one video of Hindi also. Okay. So chapter 10. The period of life when the body undergoes changes leading to the reproductive maturity is called adolescence. The human body undergoes several changes during adolescence. These changes mark the onset of puberty. Changes at puberty. There are so much changes at the age of puberty, means it's 11 to 18. First is an increase in height. The most conspicuous change during puberty is the sudden increase in height. At this time, the long bones, that is the bones of the arms and the legs, elongate and make a person tall. Height depends on the gene inherits from parents. Change in body shape. Boy have entered the age of puberty when shoulder generally broad as a result of growth. In girls, the region below the waist become wider. In boys, the muscles of the body grow more prominently than in the girls. Thus, changes occurring in adolescent boys and girls are different. Third, changes that mark the onset of puberty is the voice change. At puberty, the voice box or the larynx begin to grow. Voice develop large voice box can be seen as a protruding part of the throat called Adam's apple. In girls, the larynx is hardly visible from the outside because it's small size. Generally, girls have high pitch voice. In adolescent boys, sometimes the muscles of the growing voice box out of control and voice become hoarse. This state may remain for few days or week, after which the voice become normal. Increased activity of sweat and sebaceous gland. During puberty, the secretion of sweat gland and sebaceous gland, you can say oil gland, increase. People get acne and pimples on the face at this time because of the increased activity in these glands in the skin. Development of sex organ. At puberty, male sex organ like the testes and the penis develop completely. The testes also begin to produce sperm. In girls, the ovaries enlarge and the egg begin to mature. Also, ovaries start releasing mature eggs. Reaching mental, intellectual and emotional maturity. Adolescence is a period of change in a person's way of thinking. Adolescents may measure independent than before and are also self-conscious. Intellectual development takes place and they tend to spend considerable time in thinking. It is often the time in one's life when the brain has the greatest capacity for learning. A few glands such as sweat gland and sebaceous gland also and salivary gland and oil gland, they secrete through duct. Endocrine gland release hormones directly into the bloodstream, so they are also termed ductless. They have no pipes. Secondary sexual character. Testes and ovaries are the reproductive organ. I have made here pictures. See. They produce the gamete, that is the sperm ova. In girls begin to develop at puberty and the boys begin to grow facial hair, that is mustache and beard. As these features help to distinguish the male and the female, so it is called secondary sexual character. Both grow hairs on certain body parts such as underarms. Okay. Hormones are chemical substances. These are secreted from endocrine gland or endocrine system. Okay. So, the male hormone of testosterone begin to released by the testes at the onset of puberty by the testes. Okay, this causes changes in boys about which you just learned, that is secondary sexual character. Girls' ovaries begin to produce female hormones and estrogen which make the breast develop. Milk secreting gland or mammary gland develop inside the breast. The production of these hormones is under the control of another hormone secreted from an endocrine gland called pituitary gland. Endocrine gland release hormones into the bloodstream to reach a particular body parts called target site. It responds to the hormones. Hormones are responsible for the male and the female secondary sexual character. Bleeding in women is called menstruation. I have told you. Stoppage of menstruation is called menopause, and the menstrual flow begin at puberty is called menarche. Menstrual cycle is controlled by hormones. The cycle include the maturation of the egg, its release, thickening of uterine wall, and its breakdown if pregnancy does not occur. Thread-like structure present in nucleus is called chromosomes. All human beings have 23 pair of chromosomes in nucleus of the cell. 2 chromosomes out of these are sex chromosomes named X and Y. The female has two X chromosomes while a male has X and Y chromosomes. X plus Y chromosomes is equal to boys and X plus X chromosomes is equal to girls. Apart from the pituitary, the testes and ovaries, there are other endocrine in the body such as thyroid, pancreas, adrenal, thyroid gland, thyroxine, pancreas insulin, adrenaline. The person is suffering from goiter because thyroid gland was not producing the hormone thyroxine. The person is suffering from diabetes because his pancreas was not producing the hormone insulin. Adrenal glands secrete hormones which maintain the correct salt balance into the blood. Adrenal also produce the hormones adrenaline. It helps the body to adjust stress when one is very angry, embarrassed or worried. Thyroid and adrenal secrete their hormones when they receive order from the pituitary through its hormones. Pituitary also secrete growth hormones which is necessary for the normal growth of a person. Okay, so this will be completed. This is Arya Singh, and today we have discussed about the whole notes of chapter 10. If you like this video, tap the like button to subscribe my channel and tap the bell icon also for getting the notification of recent videos. And first of all, I want to say you that happy Sunday. Today is Sunday, and I want to say you happy Sunday. Okay, so this will be completed. Then in other section of videos we have covered about the chapter 11. Okay, so next time we have to start chapter 11. So we will meet in next video. Okay, and there are many comments on that ma'am, your copy picture is not clearly visible to us. Then I told to him or her who is seeing my video, thanks for watching also, and you have to improve your quality, video quality. For this you have not to buy a mobile, or you have not to purchase any you can say purchase any specially function in your mobile. Only you have to go on 3 dots and improve the quality of your phone. High quality, you can say. If you touch the high quality, then my copy will be visible to you easily and beautifully. Then you can write also. From this side, Arya, thank you.